Part 2, The Lost Igbo Diaspora, the U.S. and Haiti Igbo Landing. The Legend of the Flying Africans, USA. One of the most powerful acts of Igbo resistance occurred in 1803 at Igbo Landing, Georgia. After a revolt aboard a slave ship, 75 Igbo captives walked into Dunbar Creek, drowning themselves rather than live enslaved. According to oral tradition, their last words were, "The water brought us here, the water will take us home." This mass suicide became immortalized in Gullah Geechee folklore as the story of the Flying Africans, a tale of spiritual transcendence. Today, Igbo Landing is revered as one of the first acts of African-American defiance, often called the First Freedom March. Haiti, Igbo resistance and Vodou spirits. In colonial Haiti, Saint-Domingue, Igbo captives were notorious for their fierce resistance. Many chose death over enslavement, leading to the Haitian Creole saying, "Ibos pen cor ayo," the Igbos hang themselves. This defiance became part of Haiti's revolutionary spirit, culminating in the Haitian Revolution, 1791-1804, the only successful slave revolt in history. Igbo influence in Haitian Vodou. Haitian Vodou incorporates several Ibo Lele spirits, including Gran Ibo, a wise ancestral matriarch, Ibo Lele, a spirit symbolizing resilience and pride. These spirits preserve the memory of Igbo strength within Haitian religious practice. The diaspora's legacy is one of resilience and cultural survival. Though scattered, the Igbo spirit remains unbroken, a testament to a people who refuse to be erased. Subscribe for more Igbo news.